Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and as we discussed and expected, market took support around the level of 102.40, and we can see that DXY gave its best fight to take support around this area, and ultimately DXY bounced back. Right now dollar is standing at 102.6, and this is the current market price of DXY, and there is a high chance that the upside will continue because overall the market sentiment has changed, and right now DXY is out of this box after a long time. So there is a good chance that DXY will try to continue the upside, and the next stop for DXY will be around 103.30. This is the next level of DXY if the upside continues, and in case there's a news during the US session or something bad happens to dollar, any news comes out, then if DXY starts falling, then the next level where you can expect the buyers to be present and give you a push to dollar, it's around 101.95 to 101.88. This is the next level where the next level of buyers are present. Right now you can see that DXY is almost standing at the previous high here. So if DXY reverses from this here, this will be a possible double top formation. But the market sentiment is good, so overall I'm expecting an upside on the chart of dollar. Let's wait and watch. These are the levels. Hopefully you got my point. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So this is the chart of Euro dollar, and our resistance level of 1.0905 worked perfectly. We saw yesterday market hitting the level and market reversed, and now Euro USD is standing at 1.0859. This is the current market price. So what should be a strategy then? So my dear friends, first of all, we have the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD around 1.0805 to 1.0790. This is the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD where you can expect a bounce, good bounce. So, and as we can clearly see that the present structure of the market is not very positive because of the lower highs and lower lows formation. You can definitely expect that in this present structure, if the downfall continues, downside continues, market will get some support around this area. If market takes up, if market shows good price rejection from below, you'll get the confirmation that support is working, and you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy position around this area. Okay. And obviously to come down to this level, market will also have to cross this level, isn't it? But in this type of market situation, when we can see the market is going down like this, it is always safer and better to take a sell at retracement. So taking a sell at breakdown is a little bit riskier, but if you know how to manage the risk, then you can also consider taking a sell position below this level as well. So this is a good buy level where we have a good support. If market takes support, we can buy, and risk takers, daredevils, you can look for a sell if market breaks the previous low as well. And if we look at chart prime, okay, then we can see that yesterday chart prime generated two signals on the 15 minutes chart, and you can see first of all it generated a buy signal, possible reversal up, and the signal did pretty well, and again it generated a sell signal around the resistance. Okay, and the level also did pretty well, possible reversal down. Again it generated a third one, possible reversal up. I won't say that this signal did an extremely good job like the others, but still you can see that more or less it performed well. So my dear friends, these are the signals from the chart prime, and those who don't know about chart prime is an awesome tool. Okay, it's a great thing for the traders like you and me. Okay, you can see that apart from the buy and sell signals, we also have a multiple time frame analysis, multiple time frame support resistance, okay, on the chart, so that you don't need to spend hours and hours in drawing the levels. If you do not have time, you can definitely use the multiple time frame support resistance. You can also see that they also mark the zones for us. Apart from this, they also have an oscillator that also marks the overbought and oversold levels, and also marks the divergence. If you trade on divergence, if you know how powerful divergence is, then definitely this tool will be very, very useful for you. So chart prime, you can see that the signals also generates, or not generates, it detects chart patterns, smart money concept, and many other things. If you want to know more about, check out their tutorial section and also the strategies that you can use to make money from the chart prime. And you can also check out their Discord server. They have an awesome support team on Discord. If you are facing any problem with chart prime, if you are not sure how to use chart prime, then please reach out the chart prime team on the Discord. And the best part is that right now they are giving a 45% discount if you use the link on the description. On the website you can see that they are having a discount till 22nd May and giving a discount of 40%, but if you use the link in the description, you will get a straight 45% discount, which is unbelievable. So feel free to check out chart prime and make use of it and make some money. Now let's go back to our Euro USD again. So this is Euro USD, and my dear friends, lastly, during the day, if market shows upside, then we can look for some selling opportunities around 1.0925. This is the level where we can look for some selling opportunities, because you can see that we have FIBO 50 around this area. Yesterday our level worked perfectly, so we can expect the same today as well. Yesterday we looked for resistance around 0.382, and today we are looking for selling opportunity around 1.0925, which is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. My dear friends, keep your eye on the chart of DXY US dollar index so that you do not make any mistake. And as I said, dollar is bullish right now, and it seems that dollar will continue the upside. And on the chart of Euro USD, there will be some pressure because of strength on the chart of DXY. Again, I'm repeating that, my dear friends, this is the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD. If the downside continues, then obviously you can expect some buy around this area and you can go for a long position. And we also can look for a sell below the previous low here, the low made by the market. But keep in mind that this is a little bit risky position, because in this type of market situation, it is always safer and better to take sell at retracement level. And today, if market goes up for some retracement, we can look for sell around 1.0925. So these are the trading opportunities, my dear friends. Hopefully you got my point. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye.